What's up, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your girl Gracie, and I am back with another banger. By the title, you already know what I'll be doing for you guys today. Today, I will be shadow pranking my dog. Like, oh my gosh, like you probably can still hear my dog growling right now. So he actually see my reflection on the shower, and he's like really freaking out. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what other prank ideas you guys want to see. And with that being said, we're gonna get right into this prank. Okay, you guys, he can see my shadow. I know you guys can see me waving at you guys. Look, check this out. I'm finna get up, you guys. Watch. Oh, he's looking. You guys, oh my god, comment down below. I am like really getting her so good right now. She's literally scared of my shadow. Look, you guys, you see her down there? Check this out. Look, I can't really touch it because then she's gonna know it's me, but through the shadow she doesn't look. Honey, girl, it was just me, baby. It's me. Look. Look, baby. Look. Oh my gosh, she don't want to look at me. She's really got her eye over there. She just had a bath as well, too, you guys. So if she's shaking, she's probably cold. But look, one more last time. Look. Okay, she's getting tired now, so. Guys, comment down below and let me know what you guys did. How you guys think I did on this prank? Like, I really pranked her, and you guys, she is literally still growling. Honey. Hey, girl. Honey. Want to say hi to the camera? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, she got annoyed, so. If you guys like this video and this prank, please comment down below and let me know how you guys think I did. So with that being said, make sure you're new to the channel, make sure you're on that post notification bell so that way you can be notified every time I post a video. So with that being said, bye.